Hello dear viewers. You see two spectra of signals received from coils located in ferromagnetic assemblies made of N87 and kOhm materials. These sensors are shown in the photo in the splash screen. Their axes are perpendicular. Coil parameters 2.08 kOhm 2.4H and 1.56 kOhm 2H. The signals are fed to the left and right line audio inputs of a consumer PC and are recorded in the Spectrum Lab program. Frequencies 0.03 to 0.3 Hz and 0.33 Hz. Wavelengths 1 to 10 million km and 100 to 1,000 km belong to geomagnetic pulsations. Frequency 3 to 30 Hz. Wavelength 10 to 100,000 km. Research in the interests of communication with underwater and underground objects located at great depths, hundreds of meters, is underway. Frequency 30 to 300 Hz. Wavelength 1 to 10,000 km. There is the main part of the electromagnetic spectrum of power networks 50/60ths of a Hertz. In this range are the frequencies of the US SeaFarer communication complex, 78 Hz, and the domestic ZEUS complex, 82 Hz. Created for unilateral transmission of information to strategic nuclear submarines patrolling in the waters of the world ocean. Frequency 300 to 3000 Hz. Wavelength 100 to 1000 km. In this range there are electromagnetic oscillations of the sound range, the so-called whistling waves, whistlers, as well as various interference from household appliances. Frequency 3 to 30 kHz. Wavelength 10 to 100 km. This range has also been and still is in demand in signal transmission systems for reference frequencies, accurate time and meteorological information. In long-range radio navigation systems, including alpha and omega systems, for the transmission of synchronization signals, emergency alerts, etc., while at the level of transmitting complexes. Often combined with communication complexes with submarines. Recording was carried out in Krasnodar.